Alright guys, so this came in the mail, Simply Ink. If you don't know what this is basically something I want to do like a review of. You see the tattoos right there? These are tattoos that last like about a week or so. So those are ones just in case if you're not sure of that you want to get. You can also design your own as well too. I was interested. I got like I think it's called the Wild Adventure one. I'm gonna be putting this AK-47 probably on like probably like around my wrist, maybe, who knows, or behind one of my tattoos. Would you be trying that out? So this is the how-to right here. It says clean and dry skin completely. That's number one. Number two, cut out the design of your choice and remove the transparent film. Number three, place the tattoo face down on the skin. Then we go over here. Number four, rub and wet the tattoo completely with a damp cloth or sponge. Number five, peel one corner gently to check if the transfer is complete. If not, press down and wet again. Number six, your tattoo will last longer if transferred carefully. Okay. Here, and then it says for optimal results. Number one, avoid getting tattooing in contact with warm water. Okay. Apply to an area with no body hair. Clean your skin before application. Avoid rubbing consistently against clothing. Let it dry completely before touching. So my alarm went off. I'm recording my cell phone and I'm recording again. So it says how to remove the tattoo. Rubbing cold cream or baby oil alcohol will remove that tattoo instantly. And this says warning, do not apply to sensitive skin. So I'm gonna show you again here what they got. The only thing that caught my interest here was the AK-47. That's a wave, I guess. Yeah, it's a wave. What else? The words, I could care less with the words. Sun, that's pretty cool. Palm tree. Let's see. This right here too. A little airplane, paper airplane. Yeah, not really. So just 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just caught my attention. So I'm gonna just be applying this one on right here first, the AK-47, just to try that out, see how it comes out. And yeah, gotta follow these rules here, y'all. So, yep, you're about to see how it's placed on. Okay, y'all, so it's been like 30 minutes now, and I can't have this rubbing on my clothes. I have a long sleeve on, so I'm gonna leave it, just let it to breathe. Pretty cool, tiny tattoo, I'm saying. I think about doing like a little prank to probably my mom or something. Put one of these tattoos on my face. Probably like the little flying paper plane thing. I'll probably do that, yeah. Just probably prank her or something. Get a reaction from her. But other than that, it came out nice. Real nice. Real simple, real clean. Alright, y'all. So, I'm going to end up putting these ones right here. These 3 ones on my face. And see what they look like. See if they actually stay on. Now, this little AK-47 is looking a little bit real light. Compared to this one. Real light. So, we're going to end up putting like some on my face. Right here, probably one on top right here, and probably the sun over here. I'm gonna look at a fucking SoundCloud rapper for sure. Holy crap. That's right by my eye. Whoa. I look badass with this on. I'm about to put on the second one. All right, y'all. So we better put this one on right here, this side. That looked funny. That only one probably would have left look way more cooler. That look hilarious. We better put the last one on. Alright, y'all, this is the last one. This is going on top right here. This is hilarious. I have a couple friends too that dedicated their face with face tattoos. And I looked at them and was like, wow, man, y'all gotta be dedicated to that, for real, for real. Going like this, needs to be, I think, on this side. Yeah, we'll do this side. That one's looks like a scribble. That's hilarious. Yeah, so that's it. Simply inked. Okay, y'all, so this is how I look. Pretty cool. Miro como un artista yo, ya. Ooh. Yeah, so check out some of the stuff from Simply Inked. Get you some temp tattoos. You can also draw, I believe, like the tattoos on you and stuff. They have some like freestyle stuff.